Good day, RK Figs here. Beautiful Sunday morning. Weather is just fantastic. And we got two brebas, not one, to pick. We got a sucrete breba, which is always absolutely phenomenal. And we got a beautiful Violet de Bordeaux breba right here, which probably could use another day, but no matter how soft these things feel on the tree, they always seem to get a little bit harder right after you pick them, and then I always say, darn, I should have waited one more day. But what's done is done. So here we go. Violet de Bordeaux breba. Wow, that looks spectacular. And here we go with sucrete breba. Another great fig. Definitely the main crop version of this fig looks so much more better on the inside. Well, let's give them a taste. We will start off with this guy. So good. You could definitely taste that it could have used more time. And sucrete. Wow. Okay. Out of flavor, this one definitely wins the competition. Both are great, but maybe if I let Violet de Bordeaux wait a couple of more days, it would have been better. It's still pretty good, but not as good as sucrete.